Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen, breaking news. Dallas, Texas, United States. Coming in off the satellite, ladies and gentlemen, two military-style World War II airplanes collided in the air, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Rastafari, soldier of deep roots. Greetings, families and friends. Greetings and families and friends. It's being reported in the United States that two World War II era military planes collided in mid-air crash at Dallas Executive Airport during an air show, ladies and gentlemen, Saturday afternoon, killing all on board. More than 40 fire rescue units respond to the scene after two vintage planes, a Boeing B-17 Flyer Forester and a Bell P-63 Kingcobra, went down during a wing over Dallas air show, ladies and gentlemen. In video footage of the crash that was described by Dallas mayor as heartbreaking, the plane are seen breaking apart in mid-air after collision, then hitting the ground within seconds before bursting into flames, ladies and gentlemen. This is an exclusive video right here that I have, and like I said, the content might be heartbreaking for a lot of people. So Safety Transporter are saying that they're arriving on the scene Sunday to do further investigation, ladies and gentlemen. The members on the airplane are Federal Aviation workers. Now, they said that the crash took place around 1:20 p.m. Saturday. Numbers of casualties has yet been confirmed. According to Dallas Mayor Eric Johnson Saturday, it appears that probably all six that were on board the two planes have died. The Allied Pilot Association, the labor union representative, American Airlines pilot, has identified two pilots and has not released their name as yet. They are former union member and they were killed in the collision. Former member Terry Baker and Len Roth were crew on the B-17 Flyer Fortress during the air show, and APA said on social media, "Our heart goes out to the families, friends and colleagues past and present." The union said the APA is offering professional counseling service at their headquarters in Fort Worth following the incident. And Saturday news confirming that Hank Coast, President, CEO of Commemorative Air Force, the organization which maintained the vintage military aircraft, told that the B-17 normally has a crew of 4 or 5 that has went down, and this aircraft seems to have been carrying all those people, while the P-63 is a single pilot flying type aircraft. I can tell you that it was normally crewed. Court said, "I cannot release the number of people in the manifest or their name on the manifest until I release it to the NTBSB." Ladies and gentlemen, the Commemorative Air Force identified both aircraft as based in Houston. Currently, we do not have information on the status of the flight crew as emergency response were working in the accident. A statement from the group said, adding it is working with local authorities and FAA. Now, no speculators or others on the ground were reported injured. No spectators, on the ground or anyone there was reported injured. Although debris flied all over the place and collided on the Dallas Executive Airport grounds, Highway 67, nearby Strip Mall. The B-17 was part of the collection of the Commemorative Air Force, nicknamed Texas Raiders, and had been kept in hangars in Corner, Texas, near Houston. It was one of the 45 complete service examples of the module, only 9 of which were airworthy. The P-63 was even rare. Some 14 examples are known to survive, 4 of which in the U.S. were airworthy, including one owned by the Commemorative Air Force. More than 12,000 B-17 were produced by Boeing, Douglas Aircraft, Lockheed between 1936-1945, with nearly 5,000 lost during during the World War, and most of the rest scrapped by early 1960. But 3,300 P-63 were produced by Bell Aircraft between 1943 and 1945 and were principally used in Soviet Air Force and World War II. Now, this is not something that is normal, ladies and gentlemen. The FAA was leading investigation in the airshow crash on Saturday, but it was ceded to be turning over to NTSB once its team reached the scene, court said. On Saturday evening, the NTSB said it is dispatching a team to investigate the collision. The team, which collision of technician expert were regular sent to plane crash site, is expected to arrive on Sunday, the agent said, according to courts. The individual flying the aircraft is CAF airshow or volunteer and following a strict training process. Many of them are retired airline pilots or retired military pilots. The maneuver that the aircraft were going through were not dynamic and at all, courts noted. It was what we call bombers on parade. It is not about the aircraft. It is just not. Court said, I can tell you the aircraft are great aircraft. They're safe. They're very well maintained. The pilots are very well trained. So it's difficult for me to talk about it because I know all these people. These are families and they are good friends. Many of the people that are here on the grounds are good friends and family. Mayor Johnson said in a tweet after the crash, as many of you have now seen, we have had a terrible tragedy in our city today during the air show. Many details remain unknown or unconfirmed at this time. The video are heartbreaking. Please say prayers for the souls who has lost their lives and took to the style to entertain and educate our family today, Johnson said in a separate tweet. The Wings Over Dallas event, which was scheduled to run through Sunday, has been canceled, according to the organization website. My condolences to everyone. What a tragedy, ladies and gentlemen. It's an unfortunate situation. I just see on the screen there, kind of had a picture over it, so you don't really grasp all of it, but I'm gonna show it to you just a second here, just one moment, so you could actually see what actually went on. I just see they were coming over. I don't know what kind of maneuver they were doing, but wow, that is just shocking imagery coming off the satellite from the United States. Ladies and gentlemen, it appears that is a World War II air show going on there in Dallas, Texas, and two vintage airplanes appears to have collided, a B-17, and they said the next one is I think it's a 69 or something like that. This is P-63 Kingcobra, and this is unfortunately so. It's a B-17 Flyer Forester and a Bell P-63 Kingcobra went down during a Wings Over Dallas air show. It's unbelievable, ladies and gentlemen. Leave your comment. Let me know, should they have been flying these old World War II? And for all the climate change talk that they're talking about, why are they flying planes, burning up air fuels, and now they have created an accident where all those fumes and debris are going to be put up in the sky? You see what I say? Some of these things that they're talking about, why I don't understand your family. So give me a comment on this one. It's unbelievable and it's unfortunate. Yaganti, bless up on yourself. Janu. Condolences to the people that I want.
Big up Deep Road Stevie, is it? Big up everybody for the Deep Road Stevie, my fam. Up.
Deep Road Stevie.
Now me I say, this is Stash speaking. Big up Deep Root, the top boss, the peanut boss. One big up Carwell. One big up everybody, my friend them, my linky them. Big up yourself, Greg. There, you see it. Peanut man, the boss. Up there.
roots are real fire. Hey. So from them mix with the fire, them have to mix with the lightning. Them mix with the lightning, them have to mix with the thunder. Them mix with the thunder, them got to mix with the world. And they so black people, I put the wicked them under. Hey, Babylon, me see them a fret and them a wonder. Who flashy like them and who roll the thunder. Deep roots flashy like them and him roll the thunder. Babylon, me see that them a panda. Look how much of the youth them well them shit and kill, look how much them put under. How much of the youth them well them send a dove cut ya. Where Babylon the fire burn no longer. Babylon deep roots full of say you can't turn ya. Fire king, Rastaman and a real fire king. Whoa, fire king, Rastafari soldier and fire king. Yeah, balalang,
Pick up Deep Roots TV. Respect, make sure to tune in here every time.